Hello students, in this video I will explain about acids, bases and salts. Acids are sour in taste, produce hydrogen ions, turns blue litmus paper red and pH less than 7. Examples of acid: vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, tamarind, amla, black tea, apple juice, unripe mango and grapes. Acids are of two types: organic acid and mineral or inorganic acids. Organic acids, acids that occur naturally, are called organic acids. For example, citric acid present in lemon and orange, tartaric acid present in tamarind and grapes, lactic acid present in milk. Minerals or inorganic acids, acids that are prepared from minerals present in the earth, are called mineral acids. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Hydrochloric acid is found in stomach acid. Sulfuric acid is found in car batteries. Nitric acid is found in explosive. Acetic acid in vinegar. Carbonic acid in sodas. Phosphoric acid flavoring common acids. Formic acids ants beet. Citric acid lemon, oranges, etc. Lactic acid curd. Oxalic acid spinach. Ascorbic acid amla and citrus fruits, tartaric acid tamarind grapes, unripe mango, etc. Bases are bitter in taste, soapy to touch. Some of the bases are soluble in water, known as alkalis, but all the bases are not soluble in water. Bases turn red litmus paper blue and pH greater than 7. Examples of base: detergents, baking soda, drain cleaner, antacids, ammonium soap, lime water, and milk of magnesia. Bases are bitter in taste. If you rub the solution between fingers, it feels soapy on touching, are known as base. The nature of substances is said to be basic. Sodium hydroxide is found in soaps and drain cleaner. Magnesium hydroxide in antacids. Ammonium hydroxide in antacid and deodorants. Calcium hydroxide lime water. Ammonium hydroxide window cleaners. Magnesium hydroxide milk of magnesia. Ammonium hydroxide ammonia common base. Some examples of weak base: potassium carbonates, sodium carbonate and ammonia. And examples of strong base: sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So we can differentiate between acid and base. Acids sour in taste, base bitter in taste. Acid turns blue litmus paper red, base no effect on blue litmus paper. Acid no effect on red litmus paper, base turn red litmus paper to blue. Acids no effect on turmeric paper, base turn turmeric paper to red. Acids turn China rose solution to dark pink. Base turn China rose solution to green. Natural indicators. Litmus, a natural indicator. The most commonly used indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. It will be in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Examples of some indicator: litmus, turmeric, China rose and phenolphthalein. Turmeric water, no change in color in acidic medium and in basic turns reddish brown. Blue litmus paper turns red in acidic and no change in basic medium. Red litmus paper, no change in acidic medium, turns blue in basic medium. Methyl orange turns to red in acidic medium and yellow in basic medium. Phenolphthalein remain colorless in acidic but turns to pink in basic medium. Neutralization reaction. The reaction between acid and base to produce salt and water is called neutralization reaction. The equation of this reaction is written as acid plus base gives salt and water. In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. Hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium chloride and water. In the process of neutralization, heat is always produced or evolved. The heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. Some example of neutralization reaction: indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps to digest food, but too much acid in the stomach causes indigestion. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid like milk of magnesia. The milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide, and this neutralizes the effect of acid. Ant sting. The sting of ant contains formic acid. When ant bites, it releases acid into our skin. This causes itching and irritation. This effect can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. This can also be done neutralized by calamine lotion, which contains zinc carbonate. Soil treatment. Much use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plants did not grow in much acidic and much basic soil. When soil too acidic, it can be treated by bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, then organic matter is added in order to make neutralized so the plant can grow. Factory waste. The waste of factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow in water bodies, the water body become acidic and many aquatic plants and animal may be killed. Factory waste is first neutralized by basic substances and then the waste is thrown in water. This may not make water bodies acidic in nature. Acid rain. The rain containing acid is called acid rain. The rain become when carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide dissolve in drops of rain to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This type of rain causes damage to houses, historical monuments and etc. This picture display the cause of acid rain. Thank you, students.